Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. I have been struggling to make a video for you guys. Smallmouth fishing, it's been good, but there's been a lot of small one, which I don't think is worth the video. Anyways, I'm out here with my boy Danny and his new whip. Look at his new whip. Just kidding. Nah, it's a rental car. Yeah, man, we're out here fishing for some smallies. We're gonna be throwing some like top water tubes and flukes and stuff like that. These river smallies are just so mean, they're so aggressive. It's super fun. It's one of my favorite species to target around this time of the year. So lately it's been challenging because the water has been really low. We haven't gotten that much rain. I mean, like, it rained, but it's not crazy rain. We need at least 2-3 days worth of rain. That way new fish will move up into these areas. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys out on this river. So, oh yeah, it never fails. So stay tuned. Whoa, pockets. Bro, I think this spot's actually really deep. Go ahead. Oh, I'm stepping on something. I'm just trying to get away from these boulders, dude. I'm on top of these boulders. Whoa! You saw that? Whoa, dude, that was a nice fish. Oh, he came up from the tree. Bro! He came out of the tree. That was crazy. Freaking Ving has my Mr. Clutch. Let's go.
Where?
Up. No, there's no spot up there. I can't walk it right because I'm trying my left hand. Yeah. But I gotta practice. Whoa! Go! Dude! Just a big one!
Oh my god, dude!
Jeez, I was not ready for that. I was not ready, dude.
Man, dude.
That's a good fish. That's good. He's pinned.
He's dead.
Dude.
Oh my god, dude.
I was just gonna say, I suck at walking this thing. Boom. Nice, bro. Yeah, it's good.
Beaut. That's a beaut. You want pliers? I got pliers.
I got it. Nice, dude. Look at that. Oh, whoa, dude. I was just gonna say, I gotta practice, man. He just hammers it. Alright guys, just caught me a nice smallmouth, river smallmouth bass. It's so cool, look how pretty it is. I apologize for the screaming because I'm like practicing with my left hand right now on baitcaster. Beautiful fish. Look at the fin on that thing. So cool. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get a release. Boy Danny's the cameraman for today. You guys ready? These things are feisty, so we're gonna go off real quick here. This is so dangerous, guys. I don't recommend anyone doing it without experience. Oh, there we go. We made it. Yeah? Nice. Big one? Yeah, that's a nice one, dude. Let him run. Go, follow him. Yeah, make him go downstream. Dude, it's a giant. Come here. Let me help you out. Here. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. I got you right here. Yeah, he's not going nowhere. That's a good fish. I got it. He's hooked good, dude. Sorry. No! Oh,
Sorry. Okay, sorry.
You scared me because of that.
No, sorry.
Yeah.
He's on.
Yeah, he's on. It's like a 2-pounder.
Yeah.
Wait every day. It'll be my workout. Got him. That's a nice one. I think so. Everything's left hand, so it feels big. Everything's left hand feels big, dude. Yep, I got him. You just want to bring him this way, you know, so that you don't break the rod. Nice, dude. Everything feels big because I'm on the opposite side now. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look how chunky it is. That's a really good sign.
Beautiful.
A little 1 pounder. Yep. You see how I stop waiting and I make the cast? Boom.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. It's okay.
Man, pull my pants down.
Yeah. Whoa! You saw that? You saw that? I told you. Big old smallie, dude. Didn't I tell you that it works? That's a big smallie. I knew something was over there. What if you just see like little trolls take our...
That one?
Yep. That's a big one too, dude. That's a nice fish. Whoa, it's a sucker.
Whoa.
He ate my lure, bro.
Oh my.
He ate my lure. What the heck? Jeez, dude, that's so cool. Come over here, bro. I gotta let it calm down now. He actually hit my swim bait. What the heck? Come over here, bro. I gotta let it calm down anyways. Look at this thing. Dude, look at this. That is so sweet. Alright guys, check this out. I caught me a nice, I forgot what they're called. There's like the red horse or something like that, or something. It's a sucker though. That is so weird. See, that way I hooked him.
No, he did.
No, I think he went for it, yeah. There you go. Off of that thing right there. Meg slow. Alright. Show you
Got
this
it.
one last time. We're gonna shoot some pictures real quick and then we're gonna let it go. So, nice little sucker right there. Look at the color on it. It's so beautiful. So, yeah. Okay.
Beautiful, dude.
Alright, catch your release. Beautiful looking fish. Not a smallie, but I'll take it. There's a fighter. There he goes. There, and he's just gonna chill there. Like, they're not. Oh, he took off. Right. Cool, dude. Guys, I was not recording, but it's called me a giant smallies. It's called me a giant smallie. I was not. Shoot. We were just talking about, like, that's a good spot. And I cast my spook right over there, right in that shade area. Oh my gosh. That is picture worthy, alright.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh my gosh. Right in that shade. I just told you I'm like, bro, right there was good. Boom.
What, why?
No, it's okay, I got it. Alright, so we're at 0-0. We're at 3-4, guys. See it? 3-4. Alright, it's gonna hop, so yeah. Alright, so 3-4. Nice big smallie going back into the river. Look at that beautiful fish. Wow. Alright. Yep, there she goes. Ooh. Ooh, bro.
Oh, I got my hook.
Hell.
The wind blew.
Yeah. Okay.
The wind blew. Wait, don't move.
Yeah, my bad, dude. Jeez, man, our freaking life, dude. It's okay.
Okay, give me that.
No, it's okay. That wind came and did that. I can't believe that just happened. Like, that was the only wind gust we got. Oh my god.
How the heck did it blow all that?
Yeah.
Pretty good now.
Staying on the freaking that. Nah, it's still just drizzle.
Got it?
Yep.
Nice.
What a freaking hook's that, dude?
I know, right?
You saw that?
Yeah.
I told you you're in here, man. Nice. Go ahead, castle there.
I can't.
Why? Position yourself. You're right in the current. Right there. Boom. I knew something was there. I'm like, nah, they gotta be here, man. There we go. There we go. Nice smallie. See ya. Jeez. It's not that big, but he blew up hard as heck.
Hey, how's it going, man?
How's it going?
What do you get, a little trout or something?
Smallmouth. Yeah, little bass. Hey. Danny, come over here. You see what I mean? Just like that. Jeez, 30 seconds in. Look how fat they are. Holy cow. Come over here. Yeah, come over here. There should still be more over there by the pocket. This thing is fat as heck.
I heard that explosion.
There's more. There's more. Should be a school over there. Watch my rod.
I know.
Right there. Nice little fatty. So cute. Turn release. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a dog. It's cute, right? Got him. That's a nice one, bro. That's a nice Danny. I told you they were just under the tree. That's a nice one. Jeez. It's a nice smallie. Oh no, it popped off. Bro, it's a nice smallie. It's okay. It was in the 3, that's for sure. Oh, that was cool, dude. Nice. Right under the tree. Just like that. It's alright. So I caught that big ass catfish. Jeez, that's a nice one. That's a big, whoa, jeez, that's a big fish. Oh gosh, you saw that? That's a nice fish, dude. Sorry, dude, it's pulling me in the water. That's a nice smallie. No, no. Oh, he went in there. See what I mean, bro? Right next to you.
I don't think they like my lure.
No, they do, bro. Jeez. Yeah. Woo! That's a big one. That's a big one right there. Not a 3, but that's a nice Milwaukee River smallie. I was like, jeez. I thought I hit yours, so I was screaming. Alright guys, nice little 2-pounder just blew up on me. My bad if I'm screaming. I'm fishing on a right hand retrieve reel. You know, I'm trying to mix it up here. I'm trying to learn how to cast and retrieve my right hand. And so far so good. Look at that thing. Woo! So pretty. See ya. It was loud as heck. That's a good one, dude. Yep, it's okay. Keep it. Dude, oh, jeez. That's a fighter, dude. Dang. I got you. Just bring it over here. I'm not gonna mess up this time. There you go. I'm not gonna mess up this time. You take it. Anyways. Hey. Yep.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, still a good fish, dude. Dude, he choked it. Oh, it's a nice fish, dude. Yeah, that's still a nice fish. Look. Jeez, yeah, so you just hold the gill right there.
Oh, yeah, dude.
He wasn't going nowhere.
Oh, man.
Super tight. Right there. Fatty, too. I can release.
Oh, man.
See ya. Where do you want to be, y'all? Oh. Left side out, right here. Whoa! Got one! Yep! Nice, dude! That's a nice fish! That's a nice fish! Oh, that's a nice fish! Yep! Oh, wait. He's probably hooked sideways or something. Bro, he's a runner, dude! Yeah, he's probably hooked sideways, that's why. Jeez, why did you hit it so hard? Oh, jeez. Why'd you hit it so hard, bro?
It did.
Right?
Yeah,
I thought it was a giant. Nice guy. Relax. Dude, I wasn't recording, but as soon as it landed, I didn't even get a chance to record. Whoa. Look at this guy. Why was I not recording? What the heck? That's right. Oh, dude, just stacked it. Just try to shake it off, yeah.
I'm not gonna rip it off. Oh, wait, go ahead. Go.
Alright, let's see. Let's try it again.
They're the one that chew my fall too, you know?
Oh shit!
Jeez.
Oh, shit. You okay, dude? It's just the vine, it's not the tree.
Yeah, but still,
Alright, come
bro.
over here. Come over here. Ooh, it's right here, dude. You can reach it from here. Whoa! Shit. Whoa! Shit.
Did you do that?
What we do for a freaking top water, dude. Grab my phone real quick here. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My brother and I just went on last minute. Just said, let's go smallmouth fishing. Let's go find some top water bite, try out new areas, and just have a good time. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up. You guys know the drill, and I'll see you guys in this next, most likely smallie outing. We got rain coming in, water should be up higher, the fishing should be awesome. Stay tuned.